Cape Coast Circuit Court has acquitted and discharged the chief of Ekumfi Srafa, who was accused of the murder of a policeman during the attempted robbery of the chief's filling station at Mankasim. The police accused the chief of firing the gun that killed the policeman, but further investigations proved he was innocent. In court on Friday, the chief, Nana Okcherekoku Nyanko, was told by the presiding judge, His Worship James Kojo Buta, that he was not connected to the death of the policeman and he should walk a free man. Lawyer for the chief, Kweku Benson, says his client has been visited with incalculable reputational damage by the police officers who initially handled the case and is demanding an unqualified apology. Richard Kwejo Nyako has been following the report for Joy News.
The chief and businessman says about a year ago, he was awoken from his sleep and was told that armed robbers had invaded a filling station he owns. He got the police informed and also got to the place armed with his registered gun. A policeman had been shot in the process. The chief, who held the gun at the time, was accused by the police of murdering their colleague. Nothing could convince them that it was not the chief who did the act. Nana narrates what happened on that day.
On the 21st January 2020, I received a distress call from the security man at my station that some masked personnel has entered the premises. So I called Ghana police. They went there, and then as soon as they got there, the robbers started shooting at them. And some officers sustained bullet injuries. So I quickly called my cousin to accompany me to the hospital where the policemen went. Unfortunately, when we went there, they weren't there. So we went to the filling station, and then the robbers had left too. We followed up, went to the police station, and then came back to the station with the police officers.
Lawyer for the chief, Kweku Benson, says his client has suffered a series of image damages because he was wrongfully accused of murder and want the police officers to offer unconditional apology for such a mistreatment of his client.
Client, together with a brother, were arrested under the suspicion that they might have been involved in the murder of the said police officer. They were put in police custody. They were vilified, defamed, even when investigations had not been completed. Statements were made by some police officers and some other persons that suggested that my client were involved in the said murder, despite our serious reservations and denial of any involvement in it. And we are very grateful to the Director General of CID Accra and the Homicide Department Accra and the whole team for giving us some listening ear, conducting serious investigation into the whole matter, including ballistic tests as well. The whole thing was that because my client had a gun for his defense, naturally he will be the one, he was suspected that naturally he will be the one who might have murdered the said police station, which without evidence cannot be the case. The whole investigation has been concluded, and today my client has been discharged. That it's not possible that his gun was involved in the said murder, and he couldn't have murdered the said police officer.
Now the chief has been cleared of the murder charge that was put on his head by a circuit court in Cape Coast presided over by His Worship James Kojo Buta. But he wants the policemen who made him suffer for no wrong done apologize. Reporting for Joy News, Richard Kwejo Nyako, Cape Coast.